Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Sooji Halwa. So let's get started.
I've got here 2¼ cups of water. You can use milk if you like. 1 cup of coarse semolina or Sooji. ½ cup of ghee. 3/4 cup of sugar, or you can always use 1 cup of sugar if you like your halwa to be a little bit sweeter. 1/4 cup of sultanas, which I have washed and rinsed. 4 pods of crushed cardamom seeds. I like to keep the skin as well because it gives extra flavor, but if you do not like the skin, you can always throw it away. Take a small pot, put it on medium heat, add water and sugar and heat it until the sugar has dissolved. Take another pot, put it on medium heat, add 1/4 cup of ghee and heat it for 1 minute. Add crushed cardamom seeds, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add semolina or Sooji and fry it for 10 minutes or until the semolina gets a light brown color, stirring it continuously. If you are using milk, then you need to fry your semolina until you get a medium brown color, because after adding the milk, the halwa is going to get a little bit lighter in color. My sugar has dissolved. Lower the heat and continue heating it to keep it warm. When the semolina gets a light brown color, add sultanas and cook it for 2 minutes, stirring it continuously. After 2 minutes, scrape the sides, turn the heat off to the sugar water, add it to the semolina and mix it well. Put a lid on and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add remaining ghee, mix it well and cook it for further 2 minutes or until it thickens slightly, stirring it continuously. After 2 minutes, turn the heat off and let me dish it out and show you. My Sooji Halwa is ready and you can serve it warm or cold. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.